What if I told you that turning a simple idea into $50,000 in 7 days is not only possible, but something you can do too? Hi, I'm Kevin Faddy. Over the years, I've built a career out of creating strategies that work. Whether it's affiliate marketing, product creation, or driving sales, I've learned that success comes from down to having the right system in place. And today, I'm here to share with you a system so effective, it's transformed the way I think about making money online. Imagine taking a single idea, one you may already have, and turning it into something that generates $50,000 in a week. That's exactly what I did. And now I want to show you how you can do it too. Here's the thing, a lot of people overcomplicate making money online. They think they need expensive tools, endless advertising, or months of preparation. But the truth, you don't. Like many online entrepreneurs, I used to spend hours trying to figure out how to make the idea work. I'd invest in paid traffic campaigns that didn't convert, spend weeks tweaking websites, and pour money into methods that didn't deliver. Then I realized something. It's not about working harder. It's about working smarter. So I started thinking, what if there was a way to take a simple idea and turn it into something that creates consistent, reliable income without needing a big budget? So I tested my theory, and what happened next blew my mind. I took a single idea, something anyone could do, and turned it into over $50,000 in 7 days. No huge ad spend, no advanced skills, just a simple, repeatable system that works. That's why I created the 50K case study. A complete training where I show you exactly how I made that happen. This isn't about launching products in the traditional sense. It's about taking an idea, any idea, and following a proven system to turn it into something that generates life-changing income. Here's what you'll discover inside. How to take a simple idea and make it profitable. You don't need something groundbreaking. I'll show you how to identify ideas that sell and turn them into irresistible offers. How to attract attention and drive results. Whether it's affiliate partners or customers, I'll teach you strategies to get people excited about what you're offering. Proven pricing and sales strategies. You'll discover how to set up high-converting sales pages using pricing tricks like the dime sales strategy and create urgency that drives conversions. Simple, repeatable methods that anyone can follow, no matter your experience level. This system is designed to be straightforward and effective. This isn't about throwing spaghetti against the wall to see what sticks. It's about following a clear, actionable process that delivers results. Here's the proof. In just 7 days, I took this system and generated over $50,000 in sales. Not only that, but the same methods have helped me build a steady stream of income promoting affiliate offers, create additional revenue income from simple ideas, scale my online business consistently over the years. And it's not just for me. This system is designed to work for anyone who's willing to follow the steps. Here's why this system works. It's simple. You don't need advanced skills or fancy tools. If you can follow basic instructions, you can do this. It's proven. This isn't a one-hit wonder or temporary tactic. These methods have been tested and refined over the years of real-world success. It's flexible. You can apply this system to any idea, product, or market, whether you're just starting or looking to grow your existing business. It's scalable. Once you see how it works, you can repeat the process time and time again. For a limited time only, you can access the complete 50K case study at a massive discount. Here's what you'll get. Full access to the video training course and case study. Bonus strategies and tools to maximize your results. Insights from one of Warrior Plus's top ranked vendors. But don't wait too long. This price is only available for a few days. After that, it doubles, and you'll miss out your chance to gain at the lowest price. Click the button below now and grab your copy and start your journey to 50K. I'm so confident in this system that I'm going to give you a 14-day money-back guarantee. Try it out, and if you don't see the value, just send me an email and I'll refund you, no questions asked. You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. It's decision time. You can keep doing what you've always done and stay exactly where you are. You can keep doing what you've always done and stay exactly where you are. Or you can take this opportunity to learn a system that has the power to transform your life. Imagine waking up to sales notifications, knowing that your simple idea is working for you even while you sleep. That's the power of the 50K case study. Click the button below and get started. But don't wait. The price is going up soon. Lock in your discount and your bonuses while you still can. Click the button below and get instant access.